Corresponding angles. The same angles in the same spot on different shapes. The concept of corresponding in geometry is the idea of matching locations on different shapes. Given two triangles that are similar or congruent, parentheses proportional or equal in parentheses, and one is named triangle ABC and the other is named triangle DEF, if we are told that angle A corresponds to angle D, then those two angle locations match up with each other, even though they are on two different shapes. Using matching locations on triangles or other shapes is essential in describing the relationships of angles, side lengths, diagonals, and other parts. We could have corresponding angles, as already described, which are angles in matching locations or in the same spot on different shapes. We could also have corresponding sides, which are sides in matching locations on different shapes. We could have corresponding diagonals, which are diagonals in matching locations on different shapes, and conceivably any other number of aspects of shapes which are in matching locations or in the same spot, but on different shapes. In the case of parallel lines cut by a transversal, two four-angle intersections are created, and the four angles of one intersection matches locations with the four angles of the other location. So four corresponding angles are created, or four corresponding locations of pairs of angles are created. Corresponding angles in parallel lines cut by a transversal are equal. When discussing similar or corresponding angles or sides in triangles or shapes, the relationship of the dimensions is what is being discussed and will have to be defined situation by situation. It is the idea of corresponding which allows the matching up of locations, of angles and sides or other parts in two or more different shapes. Corresponding angles are angles in the same spot or location on different shapes. Related words: similar triangles, congruent triangles, similar shapes, congruent shapes.